In today's video, I'm going to be checking out Pentatonix. This is Daft Punk Mix Private Performance. I know there's a studio version of this because I only see that blue thumbnail. I've never seen that version. So this is going to be my first time hearing this version. Maybe I'll check out the studio version later. If you want me to check out more Pentatonix on this channel, make sure to smash like and subscribe. This was recommended to me by one of the Pentaholics, and this has over 1 million views. It has 1.5 million views, and it's from a long time ago. I can see Abby Kaplan is here, so let's just check it out.
Buy it, use it, break it, fix it, trash it, change it, mail, upgrade it, charge it, point it, zoom it, press it, snap it, work it, quick erase it, write it, cut it, paste it, save it, load it, check it, quick rewrite it, plug it, play it, burn it, flip it, drag and drop it, zip unzip it, lock it, feel it, call it, find it, hear it, code it, jam and lock it, surf it, scroll it, pause it, click it, cross it, crash it, switch, update it, name it, rate it, tune it, print it, scan it, send it, fax, rename it, touch it, bring it, play it, watch it, set the logic one more time. Like the legend of the Phoenix.
No, wait. You can't just simulate. You can't just simulate electronic sounds and just walk away like that. Come on. Wow.
Like the legend of the Phoenix. Yeah. All ends with beginnings. Oh, a case of that infinite. The force of my beginnings. We've come too far to give up who we are. So let's raise the bar and our cause to the side. Say, we're up all night to the sun. We're up all night to get love. We're up all night to get fun. We're up all night to get lucky. We're up all night to the sun. We're up all night to get love. We're up all night to get love. We're up all night to get lucky.
Just wait. Are these people are they microphoned? Are they doing this without microphones? Are they doing this without microphones? They're doing this without micro. They sound like this without this. Please tell me they have microphones, because if they sound like this without microphones, it means that they're extremely good. I've just been ignorant of how good Pentatonix are.
So let's raise the bar and our cause to the side. Say, we're up all night to the sun. We're up all night to get love. We're up all night to get fun. We're up all night to get lucky. We're up all night to the sun. We're up all night to get love. We're up all night to get love. We're up all night to get lucky. We're up all night to get lucky. We're up all night to get up all night to get la la ba da ba 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 da ooh ba da ba ba makes you stronger. Work it, make it harder, better, faster, stronger. I'ma work it sooner. I'ma work it faster, make it do it faster, make it. I'll work it never. Work it harder, make it better, do it faster, makes you stronger, more than ever. I'll work it. Come on.
I love. Let me just pause there for a second. I love how they're doing this so well. They are doing this so well that despite not being a studio recording, I can tell where one song ends, where the other one begins, but it's still such a fluid medley, that one. It's still such a fluid medley of Daft Punk songs that I can tell that's where it ends, but also it's like a perfect mix. They're incredibly good. They're incredibly good. They're incredibly good. They're incredibly good. I just have been very ignorant of how good they are. Also, this is the very first time I have had an a cappella group simulate electronic EDM type sounds. I've never heard that before with any other group.
Working harder, better, faster, makes you stronger. Working harder, better, faster, stronger. I'm working hard to make it, do it faster, make it. Working harder, make it better, do it faster, makes you stronger. Come on.
Nice.
Music's got me feeling so free. Celebrating, dance so free. One more time, music's got me feeling so free. We're gonna celebrate, dance free. Celebrate, hey, so feeling.
No, you cannot be done. You cannot be done. No, you cannot be done. I was enjoying that so much. I was like, there is more. Just let it keep going. Perfect. I think every reactor, and I think every okay, I was about to say every Pentatonix fan, but I think most Pentatonix fans who are from the US, I think, have seen Pentatonix live. Let me say every reactor on YouTube should hear this specifically, because hearing an a cappella group without any studio polish, like raw recording of them right in front of you, how they will sound magnificent. This is it has touched certain parts of my brain I didn't know that could be touched. Wow, it's so good. If you enjoyed my reaction for the Pentatonix, wow. I didn't know that they were that good. I knew they were good, but I didn't know they were that good. If you enjoyed my reaction, make sure to smash like and subscribe. On this screen, I'm going to leave other reactions. I'm laughing because I'm still trying to compose myself. On this screen, I'm going to leave other reactions I've done for Pentatonix. So if you could check them out and enjoy.